Good afternoon guys, welcome to my channel, Man&Motors. Today I've got an Audi SQ7. I'm going to do rear brake pads. I've just set it all up for now at the moment. Obviously this is electronic handbrake, so we're going to go on the computer and put it onto maintenance mode. So here we go in the car. I've got a launch device here, launch 431. And it's got everything you can do. As you can see, it says brake reset. That's what I'm gonna do. Just click on there. Pad replacement. So you got the options. We're gonna click on Audi. Ignition on, which it is. Okay, it says the vehicle requires the bonnet to be open when performing diagnostics. It is okay. Okay. Take the battery. Yep. Parking brake. So make sure the parking brake is off. There you go. It's off. There you go. Okay. So go the other. So you're gonna go to other models. Parking brakes, so you're gonna go auto rear, say open rear calipers for preparing. Yep. Rear cylinder will be open. Yep. There you go. It's just making that noise. It's just resetting the pads. There you go. You get that fault. So now we're gonna replace the pads. Wheels off, and as you can see, some red lighting. There you go. See how close that sensor is to the disc. That's where the pad light's on. So, and the pads are literally worn now. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. First of all, usually just wedge a screwdriver here, free off the caliper, and you've got a 13 bolt there, 13 bolt there, and I think you just need a 17 spanner just to hold the nut inside to take the bolt off. Right, let's do it. I do just wedge the screwdriver in here, and see, I just releasing the piston, just resetting it. See, that's free now. Just free up the piston. I can do it from here as well. Just and piston all the way in. So as you can see here, the piston's all the way in. And take the caliper off. Calipers off. Here's the pads. So wedge it out of it. There you go. See how slim that is. And the sensor sits here as well. We'll take them off. Just plugged in right there. The pads are all out. Clean all the surface. Here's new. Got Brembo brake pads. They're Brembos. And here's the new pads. See the thickness of that. And there's nothing hardly left. And you get new bolts with it as well, so that's good. We'll put new bolts on now. Pads all in, greased up the edges. Now it's time to put the caliper back on. So as you see, when I wedged it with the screwdriver, the piston's all the way in, or you can use walk pump pliers to squeeze it. This is not a wind up one, and the back is a push one because it's electronic handbrake. So pads are done on the rear. We're gonna set it back to normal position, closed position, and it's just gonna wait. Yep. We'll go back. It's gonna flash, and Your brake caliper has been closed, and the LED is gone as well. That's it. Just press the brake, release, in. That's it, sorted. And pad light's gone as well. Job done. Okay, everything's done, and that's how you do pads. Any comments, leave below. Thank you for watching this video. This channel is growing. It's been I think a year and a half now since this channel's open. 300 plus subscribers. Thank you for your support, and if you leave any comments, that'd be nice. And if you need any help, just leave a comment and I'll try to answer your questions. Take care. Thank you. Bye.